This here is a comparison of the properties. This is a comparison that have whatever the things that we have discussed, they have been that all have been summarized here. Okay, the strength, stiffness, strength, hardness, ductility, and toughness. This is a method value or a method by. Okay, what is the kind of the things that basically define these things? Here the young modulus of elasticity. Here is the UTM yield strength or ultimate tensile strength. Here the hardness number, elongations, energy absorbed. This is the way you can think about these examples, this application of that. If we talk about the comparison of the testing equipment, what are the equipment that has been used, and this is your comparison. The strength that you need, tensile strength, tensile test. If we talk about the strength, the tensile or compressive. If we hardness, then we have Brennan, Rockwell, and Vickers. Three kind of the test methods. We talk about the ductility, the tensile test. Okay, percentage elongation is required, and then we talk about the toughness, impact, HRPI test. This is your key equipment. This is the applications of all that. Okay,